Urban transport often demands significant compromises, and the ETU exemplifies this by pushing minimalism and efficiency to new extremes. Developed in Austria by Wolf E-Mobility, the ETU is a visionary two-wheeled electric vehicle making its public debut at the IAA in Munich. The vehicle blurs the line between car and motorcycle. Although it features a closed passenger cell reminiscent of a traditional car, it rides on just two wheels, one per side, with two passengers seated snugly between them, accessing the interior via a fully elevating front entry. Still at the computer sketch stage with production planned for 2031, the ETU promises a glimpse into the future of urban mobility. Its stand-and-turn technology makes it highly maneuverable in tight urban environments, and a tilting passenger cabin enables dynamic cornering for true riding pleasure, much like a motorcycle. Additional highlights include smart app integration for navigation and infotainment, ergonomic battery trolleys for easy battery swapping and charging, enabling a range up to 400 kilometers, and an optimistic top speed of 90 kilometers per hour given the two-wheel design. The battery is removable, making office or home charging hassle-free and solving both range and parking constraints commonly faced in cities. Marketed as the world's first proprioceptive, reactive-wheeled city vehicle, the ETU is engineered for lifestyle and eco-conscious users who value innovation, sustainability, and fun. Its unique street-surfing drive dynamic is achieved through an adjustable tilt mechanism and stand rotation, while flexible service models, such as battery-as-a-service and B2B fleet options, are designed to promote green mobility and maximize urban flexibility. Wolf E-Mobility CEO Wolfgang Podliasek underscores the mission. Climate-friendly mobility only works if it inspires, if it excites, touches, and captivates people. That's exactly why we built the ETU. No greenwashing, but true sustainability through technological advancements that guarantee pure riding pleasure. Although set to cost less than €25,000, a considerable but forward-looking investment, it directly targets the reality of looming combustion engine bans and urban access restrictions, making ultra-compact vehicles like the ETU a timely solution. In summary, the ETU is a futuristic, sustainable, and smart urban transport solution combining a tilting cabin, minimal footprint, and user-focused design to offer a new vision of city mobility, intended to inspire, enable, and delight its riders.